Hey everyone, I've got a great video for you today. If you're thinking about a career in cybersecurity and you're wondering if the CompTIA Security Plus certification is worth your time and money, then this video is for you. We're diving deep into exactly what the certification covers, who should consider taking it, and why it's so highly regarded in the cybersecurity industry. And stick around because by the end, you'll know if Security Plus is the right next step for your career. And I've also got a bonus study guide that I'll attach in the link below. All right, so moving on to part one. What is CompTIA Security Plus? Well, it's one of the most popular foundational cybersecurity certifications that's available today. It's globally recognized, it's vendor neutral, and it provides a very comprehensive overview of cybersecurity principles and practices. So it's perfect if you're new and you don't have much of an idea about cybersecurity. This will teach you the basics. It's designed for beginners who have possibly basic IT knowledge but are looking to step into cybersecurity roles. So the certification covers critical cybersecurity topics, including threat detection, risk management, cryptography, network security, identity management, and much more. Now, earning Security Plus signals to employers that you have the foundational knowledge and practical skills necessary to get those highly sought after entry-level cybersecurity roles. And I can tell you as a recruiter that clients love to see this on your resume. So just bear that in mind. Okay, so moving on to segment 2, exam details and structure. So let's talk a bit about this. Well, the Security Plus exam, specifically the SY0 701, which is as of 2025, it consists of a maximum of 90 questions, which combines multiple choice and performance-based questions. Now, you'll have 90 minutes to complete the exam and you'll need a passing score of 750 out of 900. Now, it's important to note that CompTIA updates its exam roughly every 3 years to ensure it always stays relevant with current cybersecurity threats, practices, and technologies, which is a great thing because, as we all know, cybersecurity is ever evolving. So hiring managers can see that you're up to date with the latest goings on in the world of cybersecurity. Now, performance-based questions simulate real-world scenarios, which tests your practical application of cybersecurity knowledge, which employees particularly value. All right, so moving on to the next part, let's talk about what does Security Plus cover. So maybe get a pen and paper out for this if you want to take notes, but the Security Plus certification covers 5 key domains: threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities. You learn about malware, social engineering attacks, and vulnerability scanning. Number 2, architecture and design. So you understand secure network architecture. You'll learn about cloud environments and secure systems design. 3, implementation. So get hands-on with implementing secure protocols, cryptography, and endpoint protection. 4, operations and incident response. So you'll develop skills in managing cybersecurity incidents, disaster recovery, and operational security. And 5, GRC, which is governance, risk, and compliance. You'll learn and gain insights into cybersecurity frameworks, different compliance regulations, and risk management best practices. Okay, next segment. Who should take CompTIA Security Plus? Well, it's ideal for anyone aiming for roles such as cybersecurity analyst, system administrator, IT auditor, security consultant, pen testers. In fact, I could go on. I think the main thing to take away here is that if you're new to cybersecurity or you have maybe a basic IT background, this certification is great for you to have on your resume. Not only will you learn all the foundational skills needed, as I said before, it's globally recognized and it will help you gain those entry-level roles. Now, it provides essential knowledge and practical skills that are necessary for effectively managing and protecting information systems. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that even professionals in roles outside of direct cybersecurity can benefit from this, such as software developers, project managers, IT support specialists, even executives. They can all greatly benefit from the robust understanding of cybersecurity principles and best practices that the Security Plus certification offers. This is because cybersecurity knowledge is increasingly critical in the world today. We're also interconnected, digital-first environments where security risks can impact any part of an organization. Okay, let's talk numbers and job titles. So you may be wondering, this is great, Luke, but what kind of roles can Security Plus help me land? Well, let me give you a few examples. I'm going to go through some, for example, in the Australian market with their rough salary brackets, and also in the US with their rough salary brackets. I obviously can't do every country, so you might have to do your own research outside of this, but let's start here. So in Australia, Security Plus holders often land jobs like Security Analysts, which can range from 85,000 right up to maybe 120,000. You have SOC Analyst level 1 or 2, so somewhere between 75,000 and 110,000. And another example could be Information Security Officer, which ranges somewhere between 90 and 130,000. Now, if we talk about the US, you'll see titles like Cybersecurity Analyst, looking at around 70,000 US to 110,000 US. IT Security Specialists, anywhere from maybe 80,000 US to 115,000 US. And Network Security Administrator, you've got 75,000 US to 105,000 US. These figures, of course, depend on your experience, the location of where you're getting it, and the size of the organization. But having Security Plus on your resume puts you in a very strong position to earn within or even above these ranges. And I just gave you a few examples there. There are obviously more roles and job titles that you will be or should be looking out for. So if you're starting in cybersecurity, transitioning from a genuine IT or even a non-technical background, or maybe you're simply looking to bolster your resumes and skill set, then the Security Plus is a powerful gateway into the cybersecurity field. It really does set a strong foundation for understanding security operations and opens the door for more advanced cybersecurity certifications and career growth opportunities down the line. I really recommend this. I can't stress that enough. If you're looking to get into cybersecurity, look at the Security Plus. All right, now let's talk about some of the benefits of the CompTIA Security Plus. Okay, so let's talk about from a recruitment perspective. Now, holding the Security Plus certification, it really does significantly boost your marketability. Employers actively look for certifications as a quick and reliable indicator of your foundational knowledge and skill readiness. And the Security Plus is one that most of them, in my experience, all seem to love. And when I'm talking to clients, they'll often say one of the prerequisites to entry-level roles is someone holding a Security Plus certification. So in today's job market, having the Security Plus on your resume can definitely set you apart from other candidates. It can help you stand out during the screening process, and recruiters and hiring managers do often prioritize candidates with recognized certifications. Now, whether you think that's right or wrong, I can tell you that it is the case that in most occasions, these do help you. Now, another thing to think about is having the Security Plus can reduce training time. It can reduce the hiring risk for employers, and it ensures new hires can quickly contribute effectively to security operations. And that's what businesses and hiring managers want. They're actually making an investment in you. They're taking the time to hire someone. The last thing they want is that not to work out. So it gives them a little bit of faith that you can come in and you've got that foundational skill to get the ball rolling. Now, here are some compelling reasons why Security Plus might be the certification for you. Global recognition, accepted worldwide and highly respected in the industry. Increased job opportunities. As I mentioned before, many job listings explicitly require or prefer Security Plus. And higher salary potential. Certified professionals typically earn more than their uncertified peers. It's vendor neutral. It's applicable across various technologies, making you versatile and very marketable. So moving on, let's talk about preparing for the Security Plus exam. Now, what I would say here is preparation is key, and here's how you can get best ready to take that exam. Now, before you dive into study mode, a few mistakes to watch out for. Cramming without understanding. Many candidates try to memorize facts without truly understanding the concepts. Well, Security Plus exams test real-world application, not just definitions. Another mistake would be neglecting performance-based questions. These simulate actual job scenarios. For example, it might be like configuring firewall settings or identifying threats in a network log. So by practicing these, it will dramatically boost your exam confidence. Another mistake, skipping hands-on practice. Don't just read or watch videos. I repeat, do not just read or watch videos. Try setting up your own virtual lab. There are tools, VirtualBox or online platforms like TryHackMe or CompTIA CertMaster Labs. These are all fantastic, and they will give you the hands-on experience you'll need for this part of the exam. Another mistake, underestimating the time commitment. Give yourself at least 4 to 6 weeks of consistent, focused study to be truly prepared. There are many ways you can prepare for the exam, but this way, I believe, will give you the best chance of going in prepared. You have official CompTIA resources. Start with CompTIA's official study materials, including textbooks, practice exams, and labs. There are online courses and boot camps. Platforms like Udemy or Coursera offer structured courses that are tailored specifically for the the CompTIA Security Plus exam. Regularly test your knowledge with practice exams to build confidence and identify weak areas. Another tip I have is join study groups and forums. Engage with others that are preparing for the exam in a similar position to you. You can get motivation from each other, provide tips to help each other, and gain a deeper insights into the exam. Okay, so moving on, let's talk about the real world impact and career progression. Let's say you've achieved Security Plus. What happens now? Well, many professionals report increased confidence in their overall cybersecurity knowledge. They mention improved ability to identify and respond to threats and a stronger overall job performance. This certification often leads to better employment prospects as employers seek individuals who demonstrate both practical skills and a commitment to professional development. And additionally, Security Plus serves as a foundational credential setting the stage for pursuing more advanced certifications down the line. Okay, so if you're currently studying for the Security Plus or planning your cybersecurity career, or even in a position where you're not sure what to do next, I offer personalized career coaching to help you every step of the way. This could be building a study plan, it could be preparing for interviews, it could be breaking into the industry. I've helped many clients land their first roles in tech and cybersecurity. Now, you can find the details and book a free consult where we can discuss whether I can be of help using the link in the description. Now, before you go, I've put together a free downloadable resource, the Security Plus Study Guide. It's packed with top study tools, job insights, and a suggested timeline and expert tips. So you can grab it using the link in description. I hope you find it useful. So in summary, the CompTIA Security Plus is one of the best investments you can make early on in your cybersecurity career. It opens doors, it enhances your credibility, and positions you strongly in a very competitive job market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more career and cybersecurity advice. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to take the Security Plus exam or you've already earned it. Until next time, as always, keep leveling up your career. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.